Is today my friends are gonna ban my account just because I have Pixel Sniper. My friends are all just and they're all concordance and adding IST to the code and keep on saying they're gonna ban me. I do not even know set the word IST. I don't know if IST has a YouTube channel and how his voice sounds like. But I am actually getting really scared because I don't want to get this account banned and I got Pixel Sniper on it. Say I keep on flexing on him because I have Pixel Sniper. But I say I'm not. So I just want to use it. Me and him is 1v1ing. What is so you just want to use Pixel Sniper to flex. So no, I'm not going to get unlock it by myself at all. Then he said, flex. It's fine, you can just flex. Now, right now, to the present day, he says he's gonna ban my account because they cause me to look